So I could talk about compost all day, like all day. But today I'll take just a minute or two to tell you about the Vitamix FoodCycler and why I love it so much for my compost operation. Using a Vitamix FoodCycler in your home compost operation offers several benefits that can enhance your composting process. Here's a few reasons why you should consider incorporating this into your routine. First up, faster composting. The Vitamix FoodCycler speeds up the composting process by breaking down food scraps and organic waste into nutrient-rich material in a matter of hours. Its advanced technology utilizes a combination of heat, agitation, and airflow to accelerate decomposition. This means you can generate usable compost much more quickly compared to traditional composting methods, which can take weeks or months. All right, let's process a batch of kitchen scraps through the FoodCycler. One thing I always add is coffee grounds. Obviously not the plastic. I have some Brussels sprouts that are not good. Half rotten cherries. Apple peels for my toddlers, some orange peels for my toddlers. All goes in. There's even some plants from the perennial bed that I could throw in there. All right, so now it's full. We'll go ahead and put this batch in. So you want to line up these two arrows. There we go. They'll sit in there nicely. This folds down flat. You just pick up the lid. You line up the unlock arrow, slide it in there, lock it into place, and then turn it on. And because I can't just leave it alone, let's give it one more check. There we go. That's looking great. This looks great. I learned this lesson once before, but I kind of forgot on this batch that those little cherry pits don't break down in the FoodCycler. I've tried it before, it didn't work, and it didn't work this time either. But overall, this was a great batch. Now you can store your pre-compost material any way you want, but I just store mine in a regular Ziploc bag. I add to it batch by batch, and then once the bag is full, I take that out and I add it to our compost tumbler for finishing off. I think it's important to note that this product does not give you finished compost, but instead it gives you broken down material that you can add to either a vermicompost system or a compost pile or a compost tumbler in order to get fully finished proper compost much faster. I generally add this to the compost tumbler for finishing, so my start to finish process takes less than 3 weeks. Overall, I'm a huge fan of the FoodCycler. I use it at least 3 times a week, and I would highly recommend it.